Today, we're going to set up a WordPress hosting environment on the Google Cloud platform. From the dashboard, you want to go up to the search bar and search WordPress Bitnami. And you want to click on this fourth one right over here. So it's certified by both Bitnami and Automattic. Automattic are the developers behind WordPress. The great thing about this package is not only does it use Debian as the backend, which is a Linux distribution that I'm particularly fond of, but also that it comes with OpenSSL already installed, and it also comes with a few other plugins that you would have had to install onto WordPress anyways. It'll show you the monthly budget, how much you'll expect to spend in a month using the cloud platform, and you want to click on launch. Once you click on launch, it'll take you to this page where it'll start deploying the package that you just clicked on. So after 2 minutes, you should arrive at this page. It will give you a chance to name your package. So I'm going to name mine Start by Design Tutorial. You can't have capital letters when you're giving it a deployment name. You want to choose your zone. I'm going to choose US West. It doesn't matter if it's US West A, B, or C. And I'm going to choose the micro package because that's all I need for this particular tutorial. You can customize these options. You can get more cores. You can have, you can increase the amount of memory you have. You can even choose your machine type. The Google Cloud platform kind of gives you a variety of options and a path to scale fairly easily. You might want to leave most of these other settings in their defaults and just click deploy. It'll just take a few minutes, and after a few minutes, we'll be back and see where we can go from there. Within a few minutes, we were able to have a WordPress package up and running. So you'll come to this page, you'll have the site address, which you can click on directly. As you notice, your current site address is actually an IP address. You'll have the admin URL right over here. As you can see, the user blog is already all set up. It will give you a predefined username and password. It will want you to change it when you log in. So go ahead, click on user, the temporary password, let's put that in there, and log in. The first thing you want to do is change your password. So on this dashboard, you want to go to users, all users. This is the only user that's currently there. So you edit, you can change the email, the website, and everything else, including the password. So we're going to change the email to axel@startbydesign.com, https www.startbydesign.com. And let's change the password as well. I kind of like this password, so we'll keep it and just update the profile. So you want to make sure you do write down your passwords. I have LastPass, so I'm going to sign out, user, place my password in there again so I can save it to my browser and I don't ever have to remember that password again. Part of what makes this package really great is that it comes pre-installed with some key plugins that includes All-in-One SEO, which is by far my favorite SEO plugin. I use it for all my clients. All-in-One WordPress Migration is great if you have a pre-existing website, WordPress website that you want to move over to either the Start by Design host or the Google Cloud platform. Monster Insights creates the absolute best Google Analytics plugin on the market, and Jetpack offers some spam protection as well as security options. Jetpack is actually owned by Automattic, the developers behind WordPress. We achieved our goal. We were able to set up a WordPress website on the Google Cloud environment. We do have a few other steps that we need to take care of. For instance, we need to install the security certificate because right now your site is saying it's not secure. We have an IP address pointing to your server and not a domain name. We need to take care of that. And we have a little Bitnami icon in the bottom right corner, and we will also take care of that in the next video. Thank you so much for joining us, and stay tuned for the next iteration.